I'm going to have a go at trying to replace the mid-road carpet on this Defender TD5. It's nothing special, but I thought the video might be useful for some people. Got the old grey carpet in there at the moment, a bit tatty, a bit dirty. Thought I could do with a clean up. I've already done the front row and it looks a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's certainly an improvement. So that's me just about to remove the seats in the mid-row of the Defender. As far as I can see, there's 3 bolts I need to undo on the hinges. I don't think I need to take the brackets off themselves. They're pretty corroded, and I think that's just going to be a job that I need to do on a ramp. So for now, I'll just undo the hinges, and I think the seats will fold out. We'll see. Never goes that easy. That's the seat remove. It took me about, I don't know, 2 minutes. Pretty straightforward. The next thing to come out, quite simply, is the rug. Pretty minging. That's all the carpet out of the mid part of the Landrover now, and I'm going to start to cut it out. I just bought a big piece of black automotive carpet. It wasn't expensive, about 40 quid. I like to lay the pieces I've taken out upside down, lay the carpet upside down, draw around it with a marker, a pen or pencil, something like that, and then cut it out. I use a big pair of scissors for textiles, but I know some people prefer to use a knife, maybe gets a neater edge. That's the carpet in. Needs a bit of trimming, a bit of fettling, but it's getting there. Need some little trim pieces for the edges, maybe get those looking a little bit neater, but for now, it's good.